Hi, in this next episode, we're going to talk about the cut command. Often when you are processing data or processing text files, you can use this command to select specific pieces of data from that text file and essentially cut it out of that file. So there are many ways to use cut, beginning with cutting specific characters with a -C switch, cutting different fields if it is a delimiter-separated file, like your common CSV files, where the delimiter is usually a comma, but other files may use other delimiters. And once you identify the delimiter with a -D switch, you can actually cut out specific fields from the actual file itself. Of course, you can also complement to cut out everything else except for the selected fields, or show everything else except for the selected fields. So you do have that handy -- complement flag in order to inverse that cut selection. You can find out all the different ways to use cut as well, as it does come with a -- help switch or flag. In this upcoming lab, we're going to show how to use the cut command effectively to cut characters and even cut different fields from your files in order to better process data. Please stay tuned. In this episode, we're going to be talking about the cut command. The cut command is a very useful way of processing text files because it allows you to cut specific columns or specific characters out of a file. So think of a file like I've created for this example called NBA. This is a file that includes every single NBA team and their record thus far. So this is the team name. There's a colon to separate the data. There's the number of wins. In this case, it's 3. And then there's another colon to separate the data. And then there's the number of losses this team have. So again, the cut command allows me to really edit this text file in a clever way, or processing this text file to be able to cut out certain information only. So observe. When I go in through my shell, I can use the cut command. I can use the -C character to cut specific singular characters from that file. So I can say, hey, the first column is the city name. I only want 1, 2, and 3 characters for the city name. And again, if I give now the name of the file to my cut command, you can see the first 3 characters have been cut out here for this file. So again, it's a very clever way of actually processing text files. You can also use -D to identify a delimiter. So I can say the delimiter is a colon because I've seen the file. I can see that the data is separated by a colon. And I can say -F to say I want only to see the first and the second column from this file. And again, you can see only the first and second column from this file. It allows you to be able to cut pieces of the data from some text files. So again, you can work with delimiters, you can work with just characters itself. Cut is a very useful tool, and I encourage you to practice and use it in your Linux shell. Thank you for watching this episode. I'll see you in the next one.